if you're a coach or creator who sells products and programs on the internet, then you don't want customers who just buy once. You want customers who buy everything. So after a decade in digital marketing, then we realized the secret to customer attraction is not found at the bottom of another funnel or another marketing tactic, because those are all just hollow. What matters is the foundation of what you're actually offering. And we realized if you want someone to buy, you need them to buy into what you're doing in order to get them to actually pull out their credit card, especially if it's a community where you want them paying every month. So that's where we spent the last 7 years building this cult creator model to build cult-like communities to turn lurkers into lifetime members. So let's break down the three components of the cult creator model. First, we have our invite systems. So we need to make sure we're inviting the right customers, because the wrong customers aren't worth the amount they're going to spend. They're just going to bail anyways. But the right customers, they want to buy because they feel a subconscious resonance. They want to engage because they feel like this is for them. They want to pay and stay because they feel like they belong. So you can't build a strong community with the wrong customers. So that's why we need to make sure your story overlaps with their story. We don't just choose our niche. Cult creators find our tribe because they're the most likely to buy and to engage and to stay for life. So we have 3 steps to the invite systems to attract the right customers. Next, we need to indoctrinate our customers because we need engagement, we need results. If we're offering information and transformation, then we need to get people out of their own way, because the subconscious brain is wired for comfort and not change. So we need to get them out of that subconscious patterning by giving them someone new to step into. So we need to teach them how to behave and how to belong so that they actually take the actions and get results, and they actually engage in the community long enough to get these results, right? We need to force them to take action so they actually do what's good for them. We need to get them out of their own way. We need to brainwash our customers, and that's what the indoctrination phase is all about. Lastly, we intensify the similarity in our community, and that actually increases retention, because we can't make people want to buy, but we can make people want to belong. And if they feel like they belong, they'll continue to pay and stay, because people don't just stick around for content. Most people think new, fresh content is what's going to get retention and engagement. Not true. People don't really want that, but they do want to belong, and they do want to upgrade their reputation and their status. And so by creating a community of like-minded people and intensifying that similarity between us, we're creating that us versus them mentality so that they feel such pride in their membership to this identity and to this collective and to this tribe that it's not really about the products and the programs. They'll continue to buy that to maintain their membership and their identity. So the more similarity, significance, and status we can give them, the more they have to lose by canceling. So therefore, they continue to pay and stay in the community, and they want to buy everything else you want to sell or affiliate, because it just makes sense for people like us. People do what people like them do, because that's how we're wired for tribal psychology. So the cult creator model is all about creating similarity between who we are, where we're going, and how do we get there. That's how we get attraction, engagement, and retention to turn lurkers into lifetime customers. So that's our cult creator model. If you want to learn more about building your customer cult, then stick around and follow our content, smash that like button, and leave a comment with what type of cult you're building. Let's go.